Hey, good morning. James Oswald here from Genuine Leads. Thank you, Kira, for taking the time out of your busy schedule to talk to me, and um, thank you for considering to take a look at this screencast that I'm making for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I put in Dennis, Findlay, Ohio, in the search results, and this right here is the GMB or Google My Business. This is about 30% of all traffic that would be going to your website, right? And then down here, this is your organic listing, is what Google calls it, and this is 70% um, of your traffic. So let me go ahead and get started here in the Google Maps. So currently, Anderson and Hoffman Dental Center is #1 position. Okay, and let's go ahead and click on them. See how many photos they got. So they only have 2. Okay, so you are definitely beating them on reviews. They only have 67 and you have 99. You have 25 photos and they only have 2. Okay, so I know there's 3 ways to rank on Google Maps, and one is photos. Google loves photos. 2 is reviews, and 3 is citations. Now, what a citation is anytime your business name, phone number, and address is entered into another website, Google will then issue one citation. Okay, so the more citations you have, the better, and the citations will also help rank your website too in the organic listings. So that's something to look into here, right? Because you definitely want to be top 3. That way, nobody has to hit more places to see you. Okay. Right now, I believe you're on the second page in the organic listings. Yeah, right here. So what I did was I took your website and your #1 competitor's website, which is Family Dental Team, and I put both those into a software that I use. So first I'm gonna go to yours, right? So this UR is your trust factor with Google. So, and they base the URNDRs 0 to 100, 100 being the best, right? So you have a trust factor of 23, a power rating of 1.9. You have 255 backlinks, which a backlink is a shout out from another website to yours. Okay, this creates power, credibility, and exposure. You have 3,500 organic keywords and 6,600 organic traffic. Alrighty, let's go ahead and go to Family Dental Team. They have a trust factor of 24. They have a power rating of 0.9. They have 252 backlinks, 160 organic keywords. And organic keywords is any phrase that somebody would type into Google to search for um, dentistry in that area, right? So, Dentist Findlay, Ohio, Dentist Findlay, so on and so forth, right? Organic traffic is 519. So, as of right now, you're beating them in the power rating, the backlinks, organic keywords, and the traffic. Um, so one thing that I seen, and to be honest, your site is extremely well laid out. It really is. Um, but one thing that I noticed is Google likes to see around 1,500 words of command content, and that's the words throughout your homepage. Right now you're at 1,087, so if we boost that up to the 1,500 mark, get you more citations and more backlinks, so that way it's not close to the number one competitor, right? You don't want to be remotely close. You guys are extremely close on backlinks. Then that would definitely help bring more business to your website, okay? More customers or potential customers. So I hope that this information was useful and helpful to you. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to call, text, or email me. And I definitely hope to hear back from you. Thank you, and please enjoy the rest of your day.